Hello guys. Okay, so today I'm going to try to make matcha for the first time at home with matcha straight from Japan, never been opened, and we're gonna open it today. And also my brand new matcha bowl that my friend Addy got me. That is so beautiful, and I'm so excited to try and use this, but I don't think it's gonna go too well. I don't have any food skill or anything like that, but we're gonna try it out because I really want to try this matcha. This is what we're working with. Here's the matcha. It's so pretty. Straight from Kyoto, Japan. Matcha bowl. I don't know where it's from, but isn't it so beautiful? Matcha thing to put the thing. Matcha whisk. And then, guess you put it here for now. Here are all the players. Okay. So this is the hot water that I will use to bloom this, but it's extremely hot, so I don't want to burn it. I'll wait a little bit. Oh my god. So, I open the matcha. It's in a bag, which is kind of like a little bit disappointing because I kind of wanted to really... Oh. Dude, that smells so good. I'm actually so excited. That is a crazy green color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm so nervous to waste any. Okay, put it in here. Like I said, I don't have a food scale, so we're just gonna have to wing it. Okay, we'll take our matcha. Just admire this one more time. Crazy. Okay. 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 Closing the matcha. Done with that. Now I need to get my phone because I actually don't know what to do next.
Here's the only matcha latte recipe you'll ever need. Start by heating your water to 74 degrees Celsius.
Yep,
Then
already failed.
Take
Already
3 grams
failed.
of your favorite matcha and sift it into...
Okay. Fuck. I don't know if I should heat up the... I guess I'll heat up this milk a little. This water a little. Alright. That does not look very appetizing. Okay. Whisking. Now I heard you gotta try to like whisk the top of it. Not sure why, but that's what I'm trying to do. So now I think I get my... Okay. Fat-free milk from farmland. Straight from the bodega. And I don't have any ice either, like, I'm sorry. Now for the moment of truth. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. Please note, this is my first attempt ever to make matcha on my own. Taste test. Actually, not that bad. I'm not upset with this. I think you could have used a little bit more matcha flavor, but I can still taste it. There it is. Victoria's first matcha attempt in a whiskey glass, and some would say that's very fitting for me. So thanks for watching. Maybe I'll do another one to get better at this. Goodbye.